What's up, TikTok? I'm about to show y'all pussy hoes how to do fluffy baby hairs. Okay, period. First, we gonna cut all the excess hairs off that we don't need because we gonna put baby hairs in our Wolverine. Next, we gonna come in with a 1/2-inch flat iron and we gonna curl those baby hairs. Don't use the big ass flat irons for them little ass baby hairs. After you curl them, you're gonna come in and you swoop them just like I'm doing right now. Swoop, doop, doop, doop. As I'm swooping, I'm using my finger to kind of sort of like follow it and trace it. You know how we was doing elementary? Like, it's follow the C, girl, follow the C. Okay, period. Boom. After you do that side, you're going to come up and then you're going to do the next one. Same step. Cut the excess and swoop. Swoop, doop, doop, doop. Okay, I ain't even going to lie. After you cut and then you swoop, doop, 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 sometimes them hairs get stubborn, so you got to use a little finishing spray. It's going to help you keep them hairs in place. And boom, boom. Y'all see that? It's all in the fingers. Like, I'm telling you, if you ain't using your fingers, you ain't gonna have them stingers. Period.